Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, we will be starting off with doing the brows, and we just gonna get right into this video. Ain't no time to procrastinate. So starting off with brows, we will be doing a natural cut crease today with some shimmer. You know, I have to have my glitter. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna just have you guys watch the video. So I will be using this paintbrush that I got from the crayon case. I also use this paintbrush on my eyebrows when I arch my eyebrows. And I am using concealer to cut my crease from the crayon case. I believe it is in the number 16 that I use for my highlight, which isn't bad because I can use it for everything. That is what the crayon case is for. And I really do love how it sets in. And this concealer really moved perfectly with cutting a crease. On top of that powder, I did not clean that area up. It wasn't necessary because it would not bleed through the concealer. So now I am using a Contourstion notebook from the crayon case in the shade Ross to set that concealer. Everything that's wet with concealer, you have to set. So I am using Ross to set that concealer in. using this Glowden from the crayon case, and I will be using that in the inner corner of my eye. So today I will be using the blush binder, the infamous blush binder from the crayon case. I love how big the pans on this blush binder is, and I will be using the Judy Brush that's also from the crayon case to pretty much put the blush on my face, and it's the perfect size for it. And this blush binder is very, when I say very, I mean very pigmented, so a little goes a long way for sure. That is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Spam that like button and follow me on Instagram, Kiara_beauty. Peace out.